Hi everybody, this is Lorraine with Alternative Homesteading. When I lived in New Jersey, I reviewed a lot of products. I never videotaped them. I would just write reviews online for some Amazon sellers. And then when I moved to Kentucky, I really didn't have time. And an Amazon seller contacted me last week to review one of their folding shovels. It's a BEHANDY folding shovel, trifold, collapsible shovel for the car. Camping shovel, pickaxe, military entrenching tool for gardening, camping, digging dirt, sand, snow, off-the-road portable car emergency kit. It costs $15.99 and it comes in both black and green. The green model is a little bit, a couple of dollars more. It's made of high carbon steel. The brand is B Handy, and it arrives in a black pouch. There is a strap here so that you can strap it onto your belt. You can hang it with this hook. It's got a Velcro closure. And this is a portable shovel. It's compact, an easy tool to fold up. So this is what it looks like folded up. The dimensions are 12.5 times 9.5 times 3.2 inches. It's a portable garden style. It's foldable and it's ergonomic. It's got an easy grip. It's 1.6 pounds, so this is the shovel folded up. As you can see, I mean, it's a nice smooth surface, and watch what happens when I unfold it. So here's the handle. Fold it down, open up the shovel, it clicks into place, and then I tighten it right here. This is a wonderful little shovel. This is the size. Now I'm just, 5'4.5" but I'm holding this shovel up here. This is really cool. I'm going to get a lot of uses for this. So it's serrated on one side. It's flat on the other. It's got a nice point. Great little handle. And you can use this for so many different purposes. You can scoop out ashes from your fire pit. You can use it for your garden. This is good for your bug out bag if you got one. You can store it in the back of your vehicle. You can move logs, scooping out debris. You can use this in your garden. It's well constructed throughout, and the tool has been aggressively designed to meet the needs of daily scrutiny, camping, and survival. What I really like about it is it's such a perfect size. I can carry this with me literally anywhere. It's got a lifetime warranty. That is almost unheard of these days. It's got a lifetime warranty. And they have a very friendly support team that's always online. And they will provide you with a full refund for whatever the reason is that you are not satisfied with this purchase. It's durable and compact entrenching tool. And look how cool this is. I mean, I do have other shovels, sort of like more of like a multi-tool shovel. It's got maybe different functions, but I really like this. Now I've got to unloosen it, show you how it folds up. So you loosen this, and this folds. Wait, let me see. This way. No, wait a minute. Folds this way. There we go. And look at how compact that is. Is that cool? That is so cool. And it's got this wonderful little bag to hold it in. So once again, this is the BEHANDY folding shovel. It's trifold collapsible. This is the black model. It also comes in green, like a military green. And
All right, this is a review for the BEHANDY folding shovel, camping shovel, and other general use shovel around the house. All right, it came in this small pack. You can see the name there. It is the BEHANDY folding shovel, retractable car emergency kit. Comes in a nice little handy handle. You can go here. If we're opening it up, take it out. So what we got here is a retractable shovel, so you can see the different parts of it. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so forgive me, but I think as we open up we can get it vertical. It's got a few parts. So it's got this first part, which is the shovel, of course. Pretty good build. You have this part, which is supposed to let you tighten up or loosen up. So if I go here and tighten, then that shovel stays pretty solid, so I can use it like this. All right, so you see that's tight. Then if I go the other way and loosen it up and go upward, now it allows me to bend. I can retighten it then to use this as a pick and secure the shovel by retightening it the other way. And then I have both the shovel as a tool.
Heavy duty metal. It reminds me when I was in the military.